You are watching a master at work.
Don't be chatting my ear off, bro. And you on camera right now. Goofy.
Baby turtle right there, nigga.
You ain't line that bitch up. Line that bitch up. Line that bitch up.
We got big homie right here. Tell him
You don't want to line that bitch up.
Tell him that old bitch to get on him.
Get on Delano right now.
Hell no.
I'll whoop you all down.
I don't care about none of that shit.
To the no, yeah.
Nigga, can you drive like me?
Huh?
You can't. That's what matters. Talk that to me. You got that nice ass car. Drive that bitch.
Let me park my whip, man. Let me park my whip.
Nigga, drive this bitch. That's what you know what it's for.
Let me park my whip. Let me park my whip. Ooh. What's all of that? What's all of that? What's all of that?
Tell them tune in, man. 345 Turtle, man. I can't see that shit.
They can see it.
Tune in, 345 Turtle, man. We got a lot of modification going on. That's how, you feel me? Whoop this straight eight. It's like,
Yeah, whoop this bitch. Whoop this straight A.
yeah, he holding it down right now for 5 speeds. I gotta get my 5 speed together. We ain't sticking right now. I gotta get that bitch to stick.
Let me know how I'm coming through.
Let me hear that.
Oh, this a 5-speed. This ain't no 5-speed. With 180 on the dash.
This ain't no 5-speed.
Nah, this a 8-speed.
Nah, that's a 5.
When we smell that tire, this my video gonna be
You smell that tire?
POV and 1 of 1. This a 1 of 1.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Got that J. Yeah, stop playing. You think this shit a game? 8-speed this, 8-speed that. Yeah.
Oh man, you get on this bitch.
Hold on, I could. Yeah. I got gears. You thought I wasn't needing the lowest.
You ain't whooping with your whoops over there, yo.
They got the tripping. I ain't gonna lie, they had me down there missing gears. I couldn't.
Oh, type shit.
Missing them. Catching them.
We met.
Under us. I'm playing cool.
Where everybody at?
Shit, it's early. You know we don't hear it. Get that bitch
This a nice POV. You need to whoop this bitch for about 7 more minutes.
I'm playing with your cousin, bro. You not me.
Hey, let me get that on camera outside. This bitch
You is not me.
That's your favorite little street right there.
That's what I'll show you how to do this.
Do it again right here. But let me get out. Yeah, let me out. We good. Let me out. Hurry up. gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. He was just working that bitch. That bitch was just throwing so many rocks. I got all that on camera. I would have curved out. That bitch with a bitch. Look at him.
Put some respect on that 5-speed, cuz
All right, ain't know we just left him created all of this. All right, now we can trade for a day.
Cuz I thought I couldn't drive. What's wrong?
Pull back up on 345 Turtle. Then it's his turn. It's my turn. Get his shit.
On the video.
Oh yeah, this is gonna do it up. Just wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, this bitch look. Stop playing. See,
Look,
the camera do this. Right where I thought that bitch was off. It's not off though.
Hold on, look, and it get. Come on, spit my baby on there. Show us what we in.
Roofie. I hope Rara didn't leave. You do? Oh yeah, that's straight. You got meats. What you got?
Ain't more than this.
No type. What's
Right
on here?
here.
275
Yeah.
type shit.
Yeah, I already up meats. They come 245s.
Oh, they
Yeah,
do.
These older ones come 245s. So
They
I
wrong
picked
as-
two. I put my air
Man,
tag
you
in
finna do
here.
your shit up, ain't it?
Nah, bro, I put my shit up in here, and I can't get it out. But yeah, I thought it'd fit like how I do my Durango. It don't fit.
Type
So I
shit.
gotta get it up.
Yeah. So you say it's trying to smush the air tag and not close with it.
Facts.
Type shit. I ain't gonna lie. Ooh, wee for the camera. You don't even know what just went down. You just gonna have to watch and see. And
You just cut up on him? Hey, he'll never drive that like that.
not to. Hey, I'm learning, man. He want a nigga to be a vet soon they get that bit.
Hey, I want to.
He want a nigga to be a vet. Only thing I do is hit the corner, slide my shit, and keep going. He want a nigga to bring that bitch back, do a 360.
I hit that bitch 7th Hume, 7th Hubby. He like,
You wanna go with him?
Again with me outside the car. I wanna see it. I'll pull up over there by the foundry. Hit that bitch.
He over there where you be going.
Oh yeah, that's my spot.
Hey, bitch, I'm rich, I ain't need nothing. Remember when I needed something? Niggas, they ain't want to get no hands, so I'ma teach them something. Bitch got a fat bubble butt, look like a peach or something. Every time she walk, I get the stare like a creep or something. I got the dice, so if I roll, I'm tryna hit for something. See her op, I hop right on this.